Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you
How to change dress color in CapCut.
and it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done.
So firstly, open your CapCut app, then tap on New Project and choose the clip that you want to edit. And tap on Add and go for Edit. Then scroll to the left until you find Remove BG, tap on it, then tap on Chroma key, then move the color picker, then adjust the intensity, for example 11, and go for shadow, adjust it a bit, and tap on the check mark. Then let's go back again, and let's go for the background. Tap on color, then choose a color that you choose. So I choose this, and as Spain change the color of the dress. Now let's play the play button.
And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.